जो भी हुआ है वो इनकी राइटिंग और इनकी बदौलत हुआ है, क्योंकि इनकी राइटिंग में वो कमाल था, वो डायलॉग थे, जो हमारी बातचीत होती थी। तो ओजी मालिक जो है वो यही हैं।
ओह,
पर ऑफ कोर्स मैं बहुत ही ज़्यादा थैंकफुल हूँ, कुमार सर का, जयू का, पुलकित का, दे थॉट ऑफ मी टू प्ले मालिक, बिकॉज मुझे भी पता है कि बहुत कम ऐसा होता है एक्टर्स के साथ कि कुछ इमेज को ब्रेक करने के लिए कुछ नया मिले। और मैं हमेशा वही ढूंढता रहता हूँ कि कुछ नया मिले, भले वो श्रीकांत हुई बीच में, बट एज एन एक्टर ये समझ सकते हैं लोग कि बहुत हंगर रहती है कि यार नया 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 काम करना है, चैलेंजिंग काम करना है। आई एम थैंकफुल कि मालिक मेरे पास आई, क्योंकि मुझे बहुत मज़ा आया। जो वो बोलता भी है ना कि मज़ा आएगा, वही वही पुलकित ने मुझे कहा था जब हमने शुरू की कि भाई मज़ा आएगा।
Well, I'd say that the first time जब पहली बार मुझे पुलकित के थ्रू इस स्टोरी के बारे में पता चला, I think I was also a little surprised because very few people have actually imagined me in that role. And the fact that he trusted me with that character, because Shalini is like you said, she's very rooted, very grounded. There's a sense of authenticity in that character. And in the entire film, the way the film's been made. So I think I quite enjoyed myself playing that character, working with the team, whether they were my producers, Kumar sir or Jayu, our director, Pulkit, Raj being such a wonderful actor, and all the lovely actors that I got to work with. Because I've not been an actor for a very long time, but when you get to work with people who've time and again shown the world how great they are at what they do, you as a newcomer or as someone who's only been around for a few years, you get to learn a lot. For me, Malik was a very big learning experience. It was an experience where I got to explore a very different side to my profession.
To be very honest, I was not expecting something like Malik. Suddenly I got a call and I was shooting in Bombay and I met this young, bright director. और फर्स्ट मीटिंग के बाद उसका जो पैशन, उनका जो स्टोरी टेलिंग, उनका जो कन्विक्शन अबाउट नॉट ओनली द माई कैरेक्टर, आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द एंटायर फिल्म, मुझे लगा कि ये अगर हम लोगों का पूरा वो टीम आ जाए, सही टीम, तो ये लड़का फाड़ देगा। मुझे लगता है वो फायर है इनके अंदर। सो मैं शायद आधा घंटा मीटिंग किया, उसके बाद मैंने बोला मैं कर रहा हूँ। एंड हु वांट्स टू मिस वर्किंग विथ माय यंगर ब्रदर? Like he makes us proud always as an actor. Of course he's a big star, but as an actor also. और हमारे सामने जो बैठे हैं, जो actors team, I didn't want to miss this opportunity. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to play. Let's see, 11th. देखते हैं. Thank you so much.
and I have seen him from there, and I'm so everybody is so proud of you. God bless you.
थैंक यू सर।
एंड इस फिल्म में जब मैं आया तो जो सबसे ज़्यादा खुशी थी मुझे मालूम नहीं था, मुझे सिर्फ इतना मालूम था कि राजकुमार कर रहा है पिक्चर और पुलकित ने कहानी बताई थी। तो जब मैं शूटिंग पे पहुंचा तो मुझे एग्जैक्टली मालूम नहीं था। एंड देन सडनली मेरे प्रिय मित्र स्वानंद साहब वहाँ पर मुझे मिल गए, एंड अ होल बंच ऑफ एक्टर्स वाज सो वंडरफुल। एक एक्टर के लिए एक अच्छे को एक्टर के साथ काम करने से ज़्यादा कोई बड़ा हाई होता नहीं है, बिकॉज आपको ये पता रहता है कि अगर आप खराब भी करेंगे तो बगल वाला संभाल लेगा। थैंक यू।
आई एम सो लकी एंड आई एम सो मुझे एक्चुअली इसका पूरा का पूरा श्रेय जाता है पुलकित को। और मुझे नहीं पता था कि मुझे भी ऐसे रोल में कोई कास्ट कर सकता है। तो दैट्स पुलकित एंड मुकेश छाबड़ा, एंड आई वाज लकी राजकुमार राव जी के साथ काम करने का मौका मिला। मैंने इनकी एक फिल्म के गाने लिखे थे जो बड़े सालों पहले, काय पोछे के, और उसके बाद इस वक्त पे फिर मुझे काम करने का मौका मिला, एंड आई एम वेरी लकी। थैंक यू कुमार सर, थैंक यू जय, थैंक यू सौरभ साहब, और थैंक यू पुलकित, प्रसन्नजीत सर। बहुत 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 लाजवाब। ट्रेलर देख के तो मज़ा ही आ गया। यस।
Because he's my student, he was my student, and he started his journey to be an actor, and then he wanted to be a director, and I said, go ahead, do it. And we started from a short film. हम दोनों ने एक साथ एक शॉर्ट फिल्म करी थी, वहाँ से हमारी जर्नी शुरू हुई। मैंने इसकी पहली फिल्म में मैंने काम किया था,
जो आपकी भी पहली थी।
फर्स्ट फिल्म ऑल्सो he directed, I was there, Maroon, and first film which is releasing on theater is also I'm working with you. Yeah, so मैं तो इसको तब से जानता हूँ जब ये मतलब पैंट पहनता था.
कवर कर दिया सर, बढ़ा दिया थोड़ा.
Yeah. And obviously the cast, you can see the powerful actors and tips backing this. It's in itself is such a powerful thing to working with this, right? And why would I say no to this? This is what I want to. Raj is like, I've known him from many years, not directly, but from his wife, Patrlika, and she was my student, and I always wanted to work with you. And
Likewise, sir.
Saurabh
Thank
sir, so everyone is so talented here sitting, and why can't I?
Why not?
So yeah, why not?
Of
Why-
course.
No, not really. Not from any actor, I would say, that actor who has played a character like this. It was all from our imagination only, the world that Pulkit created, in his writing. It was very much there. Uh, and whatever we have seen on television, some real people that, the inspiration was from the real people. And then a lot of it actually comes out from within. When you start reading it again and again, a lot of it, you start seeing the character, you start seeing the body language, the voice, you start hearing it. So it all came from there, so not from any one particular actor, I would say.
Thank you.
ब्यूटिफुली आई थिंक आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी. मुझे ज़्यादा पता नहीं लगता यार दोस्त, मतलब वो ज़िंदगी चलती रहती है, जो होता रहता है उसमें. आई रियली थिंक दैट आई हैव बीन वेरी वेरी लकी दैट आई गॉट टू डू गुड फिल्म्स, बिकॉज फॉर मी, मेरे पर्सपेक्टिव में एक्टर अकेला कुछ नहीं होता है. यू आर अ पार्ट ऑफ अ गुड फिल्म एंड दैट्स वाई योर कैरेक्टर शाइन्स. एंड if there are other great actors, then you also get included in that. So मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा complicated नहीं है, simple सा है लाइफ में. पहले कल्लू मामा था और भी बहुत सारे कैरेक्टर्स उस वक्त भी कर रहा था मैं, अब भी कर रहा हूँ. बहुत अच्छा है. I'm still working. People like me, and when they say that a smile comes on their face and they like my evil things also, nothing makes me more happy. I can do more evil things now.
Well, I'd say that firstly, I don't know, Pulkit, if it's okay if I talk about when we signed the film. I don't think Pulkit, I'd say as a director when he, and a writer when he wrote the character, like I said, I was not the natural choice for the film because I think no one's ever seen me in this role, in this kind of a character. So luckily I got the opportunity to test, let's just say that, and I guess that worked out. But I'd say ki, working with everyone on the film, the world is very real. We were working in real locations. That helped. When you go to these places, you understand their way of life. You understand how you can build on that character because there's an internal work that you do, and then there's externally understanding the body language, being able to speak that dialect. So there's a lot of prep that goes into that as well. But when you're in this environment where everyone comes prepared, where everyone has this layered character that they are playing, which has a certain impact on the plot of the film, then automatically, it kind of even adds to what your prep is for that character. For me, as much as a surprise it might have been for you to see me in this role, it was a surprise for me to be able to play this role and to be able to live that life and, go through the journey of playing this character. So I'd say a lot of help from everyone around, and I found it exciting. I feel like, as an actor, you want to do different things, you want to explore, you want to be able to try new things, learn as much as you can, and when you get something very different, it's an opportunity. More than feeling nervous, I was excited because it was an opportunity. Of course, the very first day of shoot, when we were all on set, and it was not a scene with just like me or just Raj and me, there were many actors, and all of these actors are wonderful. And I was hyperventilating, very nervous, and I think, and I had this dialogue in that scene. I was like, oh my God, what if I don't do what I'm supposed to do? What if I don't do it the right way? Because again, it was the first time I was doing it. But I think we just started shooting and everyone just made it so seamless. Once that whole energy is there on set where everyone's come with that one goal, it just makes your life as an actor easier. So the first day I was quite nervous, and then I was a part of that world.
Hello, Kumar sir. This is Vinamru from First Post. So,
It's ever evolving. I think that the world keeps evolving, so that also evolves. What I'm very happy about, मैं एक छोटा सा किस्सा आप लोगों को बता देता हूँ. मैं जब जिस समय में मैं यहाँ पर आया था, I came in '93, and उस वक्त फिल्मों का अपना एक कहना चाहिए कि एक खाका बना हुआ था, एक फॉर्मूला बना हुआ था. And Satya was like a different kind of a film in those times. So मुझे अच्छी तरह से याद है कि पहले हमें बताया जाता था, मैं लिखता भी था, तो बताया जाता था कि यार कहानियाँ ऐसी लिखनी चाहिए. लेकिन उसके बाद आज जिस दौर में हम लोग हैं, मुझे एक बार वो, मैं नाम नहीं लूँगा, एक बहुत पुराने प्रोड्यूसर मुझे मिले वापस, और उन्होंने कहा कि सौरभ जी आप कुछ लिखिए, और ना जैसा आप उस वक्त लिखते थे ना, उस टाइप का ही कुछ नया सा लिखिए. सो द वर्ल्ड हैज़ चेंज्ड, इट हैज़ इवॉल्व्ड. सो ये सारी फिल्में, मतलब जैसे कि मालिक जो है, इट्स अ कमर्शियल फिल्म, it's a action packed film, but there is abundance of realism and artistic value. So this is a great thing. This makes us happy. ऐसा नहीं कि हम खाली मन कर, क्या होता पहले बांट दिया जाता था कि भाई ये आर्ट सिनेमा है, इसमें नुआंस है, जबकि आज की फिल्मों में अगर आप देखेंगे इसके अंदर इतने नुआंसेस हैं जिसको प्ले करने में एक्टर्स को मज़ा आता है, फिल्म मेकर को कहने में मज़ा आता है. तो दिस इज, आई थिंक, इज द great evolvement which has happened.
I think in one word I must say that, yeah, of course the script, the director, at the same time, yeah, I am busy, but at the same time, if you remember, I have done a long back a film called Shanghai. So I really loved the character, which normally I have tried out doing a lot of things, a lot of characters in my career. I think this was something where not only for national audience, even for my Bengali audience, it will be something, a surprise item, where the way he had written the character. So I thought, let me take this as a challenge and let me do it. And I think I really enjoyed doing this character, honestly. I do characters which I really want to enjoy, so I think I enjoyed it, really. Thank you. ये बहुत ही खुशी की चीज़ है. मैंने बहुत सारे पुलिस ऑफिसर, स्पेशली माय one cult character which I have done was Baisha Shrabon, and then I did a prequel called Dosham Avatar, which is a cult character for Bengali cinema. People remember me for that, Prabir Roy Chaudhary. But I think for this particular character, yes, it's an officer. इसमें भी swag है. But I don't want to talk much about it, because I think it's another 10, 11 days. So I think people should come in the theater and see all of us. But we can assure you, every characters have a lot of twist, turn, and something to contribute. So, and about Saurabh Ganguly, I think 10 days back, me and Saurabh, we were in an event. We were the chief guest. So I was so happy. I hugged him and I told him I'm going to meet Rajkumar. I told him that I'm doing a film and he's going to get it released. So I'm very happy that Ganguly and Raj together. It will be a great, great, great combo. And one of my favorite director, Vikram. So yeah, so I think it will be a great film.